You open your phone for 1 minute, and somehow it's already midnight. Today, I'll show you the tiny habit that finally breaks the scrolling loop. If you feel like scrolling is controlling your life, you're not alone. Most people don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they don't understand what's actually happening in their brain. And here's the surprising part. You don't need willpower. You don't need a digital detox. You just need one tiny adjustment. And once you use it, scrolling stops feeling fun. Let me show you how it works. Scrolling is designed like a slot machine. You pull, you wait, you get a random reward. Your dopamine spikes, and your attention drops. Your brain loves unpredictable rewards. That's why one good video makes you scroll through 40 bad ones. It's not a lack of discipline, it's a design flaw. And your brain never stood a chance. Here's the tiny change that flips everything. You don't try to stop scrolling, you try to delay it. Before you open any app, do one simple action. Say, I can scroll after I take one breath. Just one deep breath. Not 10. Not a 5-minute meditation. One breath. Why does this work? Because you interrupt the automatic loop. Your brain switches from autopilot to conscious mode. And once you're conscious, you decide, instead of reacting. Now add this. Before scrolling, put your phone down for just 10 seconds. Don't hide it. Don't put it in another room. Just place it on the table, screen down, for 10 seconds. This forces your brain to prove it actually wants the app. Not the impulse, not the boredom, not the habit. Most urges last less than 10 seconds. That means you win by waiting. Apps feel exciting because they're instant. So here's how you make them boring. Remove the icons from your home screen. Turn your screen grayscale. Use the browser instead of the app to break infinite scroll. And keep only 2 apps on the front page, the ones that actually help you grow. You're not fighting your brain. You're making the bad habits harder and the good habits easier. Every scroll session starts the same way. Boredom, then phone, then stimulation. So replace the stimulation, not the phone. Instead of opening TikTok, open your Notes app. Write down one sentence about how you feel. Just one sentence. One sentence beats 1 hour of scrolling. Scrolling isn't the enemy. Losing control is. Use one breath. Use 10 seconds. Make the apps boring. Replace one scroll habit. These tiny changes compound into massive focus. And once you feel that clarity, you won't want to go back. If you want more tiny habits with a huge impact, you're in the right place. This is Better Life Guide.